Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and this is more cleaning progress as I go through the bins. Oh, this wire is in the way. And I've got this metal thing here that I made to hold up my iPhone because that thing is now getting top heavy with all the stuff I've got hooked into it until I get on a flat desk. Alright, here's my sports car mouse. And I think it's drawing too much. The thing is drawing too much power. It's flickering, but this actually works. And the headlights go on. It has front lights. It has back lights. I got it years ago at, of all things, a liquor store. I've never seen one again. This bin is empty. It's dusty, but it's empty. So I've cleaned that one out. I think this may be the power supply to my white other MacBook, but I'm not sure. I'll have to check that out. I found an inhaler, bunch of tape, and a thing for a Pokemon game or Game Boy game or something. So I will put those somewhere. And then this is, I got this years ago. The rest of the dots are somewhere. This is the dots cord identifier kit, and what you do with this, you attach one to your cable, whatever it is, and you attach the other one to where it's plugged in to, and you write on these things what you've got and what it is. You're not guessing what the hell does this go to. And I got this on Amazon, and this identifies by color, and they give you all kinds of little dots, and they give you get pens for this. And I have the pens, but they're probably dried up now. So one day I will find the other dots. I put them somewhere. And this is what they look like. And then you get... I don't think I ever took these out of here. Thank God, because they're all over the place. If I don't, this is what you put them into. And there are these little sheets. Now this is one of the colored ones. And what else is in here? I'll have to see if I can get those pens. These are little dots, and something else is in here. I'm not going to open it, but stickers. So you take these. I've never gotten around to do this. I wish I had. I got these when I was really sick in 2009 to start identifying things. So I didn't go years later. What the hell is this? Like, I don't know what this is. So... And so that has to be identified. So I'll put these away. And in the old days of typing, we used correction fluid. So this is a dried up bottle of correction fluid. And there was stuff you could put in the correction fluid to make it come back to life. But I'm just going to throw that out. And then I found an old Costco card from 2012. That's me and a Costco card. So, and there's another Costco card. I have another Costco card from, let's see, that one's from 2007. I stand corrected. Let's see. Let me get this in the light. There we go. There's me in 2007. And there's me in 2012. So, put those over there. I'll rejoin Costco this year. And then I found old school road maps, California, Sacramento Northern, Southern California. Where were you when I went to another Sacramento Southern? A thing for my Rolodex. Yeah, I still have 2 Rolodexes around here, and an envelope with a stamp on it, which I don't need to send to the people because my GoPro is gone. But I can put a label on this and reuse the envelope. So that all goes in there. I'll put that over there. Find out what to do with these. Test that to see what computer it goes to. If it doesn't go to that white iBook, I'll put it on eBay. And the back of the table, I'm going to get up, if I don't kill myself trying to do it. And the Yoda head fell down. Just when I went by, he committed suicide. And This is the back of the table. Very, very dusty on top of this milk crate. And another thing of tape. I have about 8 million things of tape. And more tape. And another speaker. And I'll see if this works. And once I dust that, and a candle, and what's underneath the candle? Anything? Nope, just a candle. It's an emergency candle in case the power goes out. And there's a filter for a Prius air conditioner and an alien thing I'm going to send to Justin. And packaging tape, so I can send books in the alien thing to Justin, and my former DM, my placard for my handicap thing. And then there's stuff up here. But that's been cleared out, so that's as far as I'm going to get. I am losing my voice, and it's getting hard to breathe. So, I will unplug the car and put this stuff away and go have my breakfast. The Meals and Wheels delivered 3 of the same kind of dinner, 3 turkey dinners, no pork, thank God, and my fish. So, I'm going to have my fish dinner for breakfast. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or safe out there, as the case may be, and stay wet, warm, and cool. Sorry, getting tired. Oh, I forgot one thing. This is a little USB light, and what this does, when you turn off the big light, you can see the. Let me turn off the big light. You can see the keys in your MacBook. Or on any Mac. This may work on any USB computer. And I couldn't find this, and it is a bit of a pain. But
sorry, I'm not sure about that.
Yes, I'm not sure about that either. So the Alexa Dot speaks again. And but this will enable me to see the keys once I get this replaced, or I could. And unfortunately, this keyboard doesn't have a USB port. I wish it did. The big keyboard, but at least I can see the keys. And let's see, that doesn't work on the screen, so just keys. So that's that. And more stuff. I guess I can put this thing away too. And I'm not impressed with this. I don't know if it even charges or not. I got this at Big Lots. It's supposed to charge. The light's kind of wimpy. I'm going to put that away too. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Now you see some of my music list. All but one are copywritten music, so I can't play these. Or all but 2, 3. And here's the. I'll go out with Sugar Zone. Have a great day, people, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye for now.